In the industrial manufacturing field, trust is the foundation of collaboration, and commitment is the driving force behind progress. Recently, NAIPU Pump, with its outstanding technical expertise and strong sense of responsibility, was entrusted with the production and assembly of 22 slurry pumps by a client who deeply recognized our product quality, technological innovation, and service level. As a key piece of equipment in the industrial sector for transporting high-concentration, highly abrasive slurries, the performance and quality of slurry pumps directly impact the client's production efficiency and operational costs. To ensure that the 22 slurry pumps not only met but exceeded client expectations, we quickly assembled a dedicated team of senior engineers and experienced technicians. From product design optimization, component procurement, precise machining, to final assembly and debugging, each step was strictly controlled to ensure perfection. In the future, we will continue to repay our clients with professionalism and efficiency, crafting quality with dedication and delivering outstanding results for every bit of trust placed in us.